It's the first day of school and naliligaw ako.
Internet routing protocols are the foundation of how data moves across the internet, ensuring it travels the best path to its destination. They dynamically analyze network conditions, such as traffic and link availability, to make real-time decisions, enabling efficient and reliable communication across interconnected networks. To understand better, let's use people as examples and take a look at how the following dilemma unfolds.
Hindi rito. Hindi rin ito. And definitely hindi ito. Nasaan na ba yung room na yun? Late na ako.
Wow! If compared to packets, which cannot reach a destination, naturally keeps on circulating through paths. This can happen when there's a misconfiguration in the routing tables, causing routers to keep sending the packets in circles. This is called a routing loop.
Excuse me, pwede mo? The heck?
Saan ang akad mo?
Akad building?
A few moments later.
Nakatinding po daw yung sa'yo.
Ha? May ibang akad buildings ba? Malas naman natin. Nawawala na nga tayo. Naulanan pa. At patuloy pa kaming naligaw.
Isang building naman.
Hindi ko na rin alam. Time out! Ayoko na. Pagod na ako.
Excuse me, pwede magpukol sa diretsyo niya? Wala rin kami alam niya.
Do I help them?
Ano yan?
Oo, mga flyers para i-promote yung fast food business ng boss ko. Bumalik daw ako by 11 again. Ang dami niyan. Ano yan? Ibig sabihin mo lahat ng rooms of buildings dito? Wait, seryoso? May permission kami magpamigay kada rooms dito ang kaso. Hindi ko alam kung kalibusin lahat ng rooms bago mag-11.
Matatanggal ka ba pag di mo nagawa yan? Tutulong kami.
Talaga? Nakakaya naman. O, sige na.
Matatang.
Salamat. Ay, pati ito? Kasal dito?
Sige na, baka mapagod ka pa.
Uy, ano naliligaw ka rin ba? Hindi.
NPC ba to? Puro hindi lang ang linya eh.
Ah, gusto mo ng flyers? Hindi.
Gusto ka ba na gusto mo?
Hindi. Napansin ko, hindi na pa nakatingin. Bakit? Routing.
Ha?
Routing means finding the best path between places. So it uses the ACER algorithm, which is a smart method to find the shortest or best route, much like how internet routing works. So if a person needs to distribute flyers quickly across several places, this algorithm can help find the most efficient path, saving time and effort. So over here, we have the node class. So this node class represents each place, storing its name, location, cost to travel, and possible routes to other places. Over here, we also have the node library. So this is a collection of places with their coordinates, just like Santo Domingo router and Santa Cruz router. Over here, we have the connections. So these connections are the routes between places where their travel costs are added. So these travel costs are the time or distance. And then over here, we have the graph. So this graphs the places and routes are organized into a network to simulate how real systems calculate paths. So this can be used to figure out the fastest way to visit multiple places when distributing flyers, ensuring all are covered with minimal travel.
So, like, the A-star algorithm is this thing for finding paths and stuff, right? Basically, it figures out the shortest way to get from one point to another, which is like super useful for things like maps or even internet routing. It works by adding up two things: g of n, which is how far you've gone so far, which we have here, and h of n, which is like I guess for how much farther you gotta go. Together, that gives you f of n, which the algorithm uses to decide like which way to go next. In the code, we have this thing called frontier, which is just a fancy word for the list of places you haven't checked yet. The algorithm looks at the frontier and picks the spot with the lowest f of n value, so it always works on the most promising path. Then it checks on the neighbors of the spot and updates the cost if it finds a better way. It also keeps track of places we already looked, and so it doesn't keep going in circles or something. And like how this relates to internet routing protocols is kind of cool. Stuff like OSPF, which stands for Open Shortest Path First, works kind of the same way. It looks for the shortest path to send data across the internet just like A-star does. Instead of G of n and H of n, routing protocols use things like link cost and delays to figure out the best path. So yeah, it's kind of the same idea, just applied how your data moves around online. That's it.
So basically, at this part of the code, the user inputs the initial router point and the goal router point. Then, the algorithm loop has a priority queue that stores the nodes to be explored starting with the initial node. Then, the algorithm removes the node with the lowest cost from the frontier, then adds it to the explored list, and checks if it matches the goal. If the goal is reached, the path is reconstructed by traversing parent links from the goal back to the start. So, I will demonstrate how it works.
So tuturuan mo kami kung paano mabibisita lahat ng room ng mabilisan.
Correction, hindi ko kayo tutulungang mamigay. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo ang pasunod-sunod na dapat puntaan ng bawat isa sa inyo.
In this scenario, MJ serves as the router that guides the other to their best path that is judged to be the most efficient and effective course of action.
Apa. Dito ka na lang maghintay sa amin.
What? Sino nagsabing?
Record naman kita!
Many minutes later.
Uy, thank you talaga dahil sa inyo. Secure ang trabaho ko.
Ako rin, yung delivery ko na sa kalibitin ko. Nabigay ko yung delivery bago pa kailangan nyo.
Yeah. Pwede na ba akong umalis?
Hindi.
What? Wala na akong oras
Para sa free lunch.
Ano ang fast way to get there? Tara!
Teka, wala ka ba nakalimutan?
Ako?
Oo nga pala, nahanap mo na yung room mo.
Nakalimutan ko. And tapos na yata ang class.
Hindi mo sinabi kanina. Saan room ba kayo nakaschedule ngayon?
Room TBA.